Hello student, in this short video, I want to show you how to calculate the loan amortizations. Okay, loan amortization refers to the computations of equal period loan payments necessary to provide the lender with a specified interest return and repay the loan principal over a specified period. So it involves finding the future payments over the term of the loan whose present value at the loan interest rate equals the amount of initial principal borrowed. A loan amortization schedule is used by lenders to determine this payment's amount and the allocations of each payment to interest and principals. Now look at this example. Let's say if you want to buy a car, so you have to borrow from the financial institutions or the bank. Let's say you borrow 60,000 to be repaid in 4 equal payments or installment at the end of each of the next 4 years. So the interest rate that is paid to the lender is 15% on the outstanding portion of the loan. So the formula to calculate the PMT is the amount borrowed equal to the PMT times the PVIFA, that is the present value interest factor, annuity for that interest rate and the number of years. So for this example, the amount borrowed is 60,000 and then equal to PMT, because we have to calculate the PMT, times the multiplier that you referred in the table, the present value annuity table. So the multiplier is 2.8547. So the PMT is 60,000, that is the amount borrowed, divided by the multiplier 2.8547. Therefore, the PMT is 21,017 ringgit and 97 cent. Okay, that is the first step, the calculation of PMT. Now the second step is you calculate the interest for the first year. Okay, the interest on loan. So for the interest formula is the amount borrowed times the interest rate of 15%. So 60,000 amount borrowed times the 15% interest on loan is 9,000. Okay, next step is preparing the payment schedule. So the table, you look at the table, there are basically 5 columns. Column number 1 is year, number 2 is the annuity or the PMT, and then the third column is interest on loan, the fourth column is repayment of the principal, and the final column is the outstanding loan balance after the annuity payment. Okay, now how to prepare this? Okay, for year 1, since this is 4-year loan for installment, so you prepare from year 1 until year 4. Okay, and then the annuity is what you calculated in step 1, that is the 21,017 ringgit and 97 cent. And then the interest for year 1 is what you calculated in step 2, that is 9,000. And then the next column, that is the repayment of principals, is basically the difference between the PMT and the interest. So the annuity or PMT of 21,017 ringgit and 97 cent minus the interest of 9,000. So the principal is 12,017 ringgit and 97 cent. Alright, and then the last column is the outstanding loan balance after the annuity payment, is the amount after you minus the principal from the amount borrowed. So the amount borrowed is 60,000 minus the principal of 12,017 ringgit and 97 cent. So the outstanding loan balance is 47,982 and 3 cents. So we have done the year 1 calculations. Now we go to year 2. Okay, for the annuity, the annual repayment are always the same. So the year 2 is also same as the year 1, 21,017 ringgit and 97. Okay, for the interest, you have to calculate the interest every year. For the year 2 interest, the formula is the outstanding loan balance after the annuity payment in year 1, that is 47,982 and 3 cents, times the interest rate, that is 15%. So the interest is 7,197 ringgit and 30 cents. Okay, and then the repayment of principals in year 2 is, of course, the PMT minus the interest. And then the outstanding loan payment after the annuity payment for year 2 is the outstanding loan in year 1 minus the principals in year 2. So the outstanding loan balance in year 2 is 34,161 ringgit and 36 cents. So you just continue doing the same step until the last repayment, that is in year 4. So when you already completed until the final year or final repayment, you will get 0 figure for the outstanding loan balance after the annuity payment. Okay, it will become 0. Mean everything is already settled.